case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1976, the U.S. Supreme Court ruled on the landmark case of Craig v. Boren, a legal challenge to a controversial Oklahoma law. The law in question prohibited the sale of 3.2% beer to males under the age of 21, while allowing its purchase by females once they turned 18. The case catapulted into the spotlight issues surrounding gender-based distinctions and the question of their constitutionality. The case was brought forward by Craig, a young man aged between 18 and 20, and Whitener, a licensed vendor of the 3.2% beer. They argued that the law discriminated against males in the specified age range without a substantive reasoning, thus violating the Equal Protection Clause of the 14th Amendment. The statute's constitutionality came under scrutiny, and the verdict hinged on whether its gender-specific restriction substantially related to the important government objective it was purported to support: traffic safety. Initially, a lower court upheld the Oklahoma statute, sparking an appeal to the Supreme Court. The Supreme Court, however, saw the situation differently and overruled the lower decision. They found that the law's gender-based distinction was not substantially related to traffic safety. Hence, the court held that the law was unconstitutional, amounting to invidious discrimination against males aged 18-20. Despite arguments to the contrary, the court ruled that the law's unconstitutionality couldn't be excused by the 21st Amendment. The amendment, which returned the power to set alcohol regulations to individual states after the end of Prohibition, was argued to be a potential safeguard against the claim of gender discrimination. However, the court announced that it did not alter the scope of the 14th Amendment's due process rights or condone discriminatory legislation. This ruling directed an unequivocal message to legislatures. They needed to realign their laws to be gender-neutral or employ procedures for identifying factual situations where gender-specific generalizations might hold. Thus, liquor laws could not be exempt from the standards of equal protection, even under the autonomous control bequeathed by the 21st Amendment.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.